Every time I go to dinner, seems like I'm getting a little bit thinner. I'll sit down at the breakfast table. I can talk, they're not able. When I look at them, I find there's a single question on their mind. I wish I could go back to the way it was. It's not easy now because my whole family thinks I'm gay. I guess it's always been that way. Maybe it's 'cause of the way that I walk. Makes them think I like boys. And I like boys. The goddamn question just won't go away. And I get asked every single day, but the way they ask it is not a disguise. Like, how was your day? Do you like to kiss guys? That's funny. I don't mean to yell, but I fear I must, 'cause I'm losing the people that I thought I could trust. Because even my boyfriend thinks I'm gay. It's a motherfucker. You all probably think I'm gay. Man, this song is counterproductive. La 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 la, because my whole family thinks I'm gay. What if they know anyway? You gotta look right through the haze. Easy bake oven was just a phase. And my whole family thinks I'm queer. That is all I ever hear. But I've been as straight as a ramp, if you don't count Bible camp.